Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to change the video background in Canva. Let's dive right in using this video as an example. Start by dragging and dropping the video onto the page in Canva. Adjust the size of the video as needed to fit your project. Click on BG Remover to remove the background of the video. Please note that this feature is available in Canva Pro. Next, head to the Elements section and enter the keywords for the type of background you need. Find a relevant video element that fits your requirements and click to add it to the video. Adjust its size accordingly. Move to the Position tab and click on the layer. Bring the person to the foreground by adjusting the layers. Fine-tune the size and position of the elements as required to achieve the desired effect. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the video background in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.